Hey guys, welcome back to new video। और आज के इस लेक्चर में we are going to discuss about deletion in AVL trees। Okay, so in this video we are going to discuss how we perform deletion in AVL trees and how the deletion is different from BST। So let's continue। So first of all we have an AVL tree। So of course by default it also an BST, ठीक है, binary search tree। And these are the nodes we are going to discuss from this tree। Okay, so let's begin। So the first element we are going to delete is 8। Okay, so where is 8? So 8 is the leaf node here, so just simply delete it। Okay, remove this connection, so I remove this। Okay, now it is deleted। Now you cannot go to directly the next element and perform deletion। Why? Because it's not only a BST, it is an AVL tree। You need to check out the balance factor of each node, okay? And if there is something unbalanced, you have to balance it first, then perform the next delete operation। So let's check the balance factor of each element। So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. Now here 1, minus 1, 0 and 0। Okay, these are the balance factors, so the tree is balanced। Now remove the next element is 7। So how do we do delete 7? First of all, this 7 is parent and the 4 is its child, so replace this 7 by 4। Okay, and this 4 by 7। Now remove this connection, so let me remove it out। Okay, now again check the balance factor of each node। So this whole tree is unaffected, so there is no need to check the balance factor here। Now the left hand side 0, minus 1, balance factor of 4 is 0, and now the balance factor of 11 becomes minus 1। Still the tree is balanced, so no need to balance it out। Okay, moving to the next element, which is 11। Before that, let me remove all the unnecessary things। Okay, fine। So now the next element which we are going to delete is 11। So this 11 have two children। Okay, so deletion here is not simple। So to delete this, we should know the in order predecessor or successor। ठीक है, I have taught this in my previous videos। ठीक है, check it out। So you can either choose 4 or 12, ठीक है, in place of 11। So I choose 4 here, you can go with 12 also। So let's do that। So this 11 is removed and the new tree will be looked like this। ठीक है, okay, happy, as simple as that। So now you have to again check the balance factor। So right hand side is unaffected, you have to check balance factor for this। So 0, minus 1 and minus 2, so you have to balance this node by this tree। So this is R, and if there are two right, you have to perform a single left rotation। ठीक है, so the 12 will be the root node and 4 will come down। Fine, so let's do this। तो 12 इधर, 13 यहाँ पे एंड 4 यहाँ पे। अब आप इसका बैलेंस फैक्टर चेक करोगे तो 0 0 and 0. Got it? But now balance factor of 14 becomes what? It's -1, क्योंकि लेफ्ट में हाइट 2 है और राइट में हाइट 3 है। ठीक है, सो द नेक्स्ट एलिमेंट वी आर गोइंग टू डिलीट इज 14. So where is 14? 14 is the root element. So again 14 has two children, that is 12 and 19. Then you have to perform the same operation like before. ठीक है, तो इन ऑर्डर प्रेडेसर या इन ऑर्डर सक्सेसर आप कुछ भी ले सकते हो। मैं फिर से प्रेडेसर के पीछे आऊंगा। प्रेडेसर मतलब लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में, यानी कि लेफ्ट सब ट्री में लार्जेस्ट एलिमेंट। ओके, सो विच इज 13 ऑब्वियसली। सो द न्यू ट्री विल लुक लाइक 13, 19, 53, 60, 17, 16 और इधर था 12 एंड 4। ठीक है, तो अब इसका बैलेंस फैक्टर चेक करते हैं। 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 एंड -1। ठीक है, तो ये बैलेंस है। नाउ द नेक्स्ट एलिमेंट इज 17। ठीक है, तो 17 के केस में ये रहा 17, इट हैज ओनली सिंगल चाइल्ड। ठीक है, तो क्या होगा, ये 17 16 से रिप्लेस हो जाएगा, यहाँ 17 हो जाएगा और यहाँ 16 हो जाएगा एंड ये कनेक्शन कट जाएगा। ठीक है, सो लेट्स ड्रॉ इट। ओके, कुछ इस तरीके से। ठीक है, तो ये फाइनली हमारा डिलीशन बन के आ जाएगा। ठीक है, आफ्टर डिलीशन एवीएल ट्री कुछ ऐसा दिखाई देगा। आई होप इस एग्जांपल से आपको डिलीशन इन एवीएल ट्री समझ में आ गया होगा। सो दिस इज ऑल फॉर दिस एवीएल ट्रीज। मिलते हैं अगले लेक्चर में किसी अगली ट्री के साथ। ओके, टिल देन हैप्पी कोडिंग।